business owner, I want you to stop talking about being busy and let's talk about being productive in 2025. What if your next 5 minutes could decide your next 5 years, the way you actually run the system in your business? Right now, everybody is transitioning into AI. Right now, AI is the biggest golden opportunity right now that is being given out for free. And most business owners are not utilizing right now, especially for the small business owner. So, quite frankly, I've been wondering why are the small business owners not actually tapping into this opportunity? Because this is a golden era. In 2026, it's said to be that AI will become more standard, neither basic and neither advanced. So right now, everybody from 2022, everybody has been in the race of either running AI in an advanced mode or in a basic mode. But I can literally tell you that right now, AI will become a standard mode. So where do you stand in case this opportunity is being locked in? Okay. Right now, I'm going to be breaking down everything for you guys right away. So that's why I broke down the exact steps right away that you're actually seeing on the board. So the first step is I will be showing you an AI system, a full roadmap, and an AI system future, AI use cases, and who it serves. Okay, maybe you might be in the category of where this AI actually serves. So regardless of every industry, I want you to know this. Regardless of if you're a real estate agent or a service-based business or neither a small business owner or a company owner, a one-man company, this is actually a befitting opportunity that you should actually tap. Okay. So currently where I'm moving forward. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is what I call an AI team right now that nobody's actually utilizing. Small business owner should be utilizing this to actually play the game that the big marketers are actually playing. So that's what I'm showing you right now. You see, in the order of generating leads, the order of generating lead allows you to be limited to, when you're starting your business newly, you want to be limited due to the resources you have right now. But I can literally tell you that you do not need enough resources because the only resource that you needed right now in this era is a resource of AI, the capabilities of what AI could do right now. Now, why am I telling you this? Is because I know the pocket. I know the pocket of most business owners. I have worked with business owners and I've seen what they can, what they can do and what they cannot do. Okay, I can see their capabilities because for me running audits from for real estate agent down to guys who the mortgage guy, what they literally tell me, they always tell me this one thing. They always tell me that they don't have the money to hire so many teams in the business. So what did they do? They get overwhelmed and they get burned out when they are starting this. They are maybe starting their business newly. So what I did is we built an AI team, okay, an AI team that will either upgrade your team. I'm not saying you should have an AI team to actually kick your team out. I'm talking about having an AI team to boost your team so that you guys can go for the hiring. You guys can go very, very deep and work hard, okay, and gain more productivity because we believe in giving more profit out, okay, right now. So the owner of NVIDIA, which is the CEO of NVIDIA, talked about something that wowed me. He said something. He said, in the future, every company will be company of one powered by AI. I mean, he's not really joking because he has seen the landscape. He had seen the trajectory of where this is actually heading to, which means he talked about that a one company can either have a $1 billion, like a $1 billion revenue, which that's what AI can actually do to your company when it's implemented with just one employee. So that's so how dangerous AI is. So what am I talking about? AI in the nearest future might replace your team or might update your team, but I want you to actually pick this, okay? So now what does he mean by a company of one? Now, let's say, for example, this is you right now. So so this is you, a service-based guy or a service-based business guy who runs services like the mortgage firm or mortgage guy. You see, this is an example. You see, you cannot, as a small business guy or somebody who's just starting a business newly, you can just go into the market and hire qualified people who are ready to help you and come into the team. That is why you call a small business guy. That's why you're starting. You don't want to take enormous risk. Okay, you don't want to just dive into the option and get deep, get drowned. So what is going to happen? So right now, AI allows you to test different opportunities. AI allows you to see many variations of the market. Okay, you see, if you had an AI, if you had a CMO, an appointment setter, a sales agent, and a receptionist. Now, what is going to happen? Now, let's talk about the human trajectory. You see, you might end up, for a beginner, you might end up paying $60,000, $70,000, $100,000 per month and getting puked because why? That is what the old way of actually generating a consistent system for your business, allows you to do, test so many. But I can tell you that you do not need to take higher risk. AI allows you to play safe and test so many variations in the market. Okay. So the first thing we're going to be talking about here is an AI CMO, which is an AI marketing CMO. Now, you know that normally we know what is called a CMO, which is the Chief Marketing Officer. Right now, a CMO is just like a brainstormer in your business, okay, whereby the CMO is always going to go into the market, is going to perform high level ranked research for you. Then we have the appointment setter, who is always going to be available to take in the booked appointment from the leads and send them straight into your calendar. All you need to do is to come and close the deal. Now, we have an AI sales agent who is actually going to learn about your business, more about your business, how you sell, what is your ICP method, stuff, and this is going to learn and help you do that. Why all you have to do is to just come in and close the deal. We have an AI receptionist who's always going to remove the slackers, who's going to select who are the keepers or like the gatekeepers and people who are actually ready to get your product or get your service. Okay. So I want to show you the use case of these AI agents. Okay. So all in one, they are called a system. Okay. Just like a car that is just a car, not engines, it's so many parts comes together to make the car has a system. Okay. So right now, that is how your business is right now. So what is going to happen is if you are running maybe a service business, I strongly advise you actually look into this and see what I'm talking about. You see, when it comes to an AI CMO, an AI CMO helps you perform a weekly campaign, maybe for your ads or maybe for your content. An AI is going to write your captions. An AI is going to brainstorm in your business. Now, this is the trick test an AI is going to do. The AI is going to go into the market, find the best odds for you to actually maybe run campaigns on, to actually, strike your product, to actually play a very simple game, a very safe game into the big marketers. Okay. And AI is going to write captions for you. And AI is going to brainstorm with the kind of content that you're going to actually deliver based on the complex research it has made. Okay. Now, what is the period that this AI agent is going to perform this? I can literally tell you that this AI agent is going to take nothing less than maybe a minute, like a 30 minutes, for actually a complex search, okay, based on the Google, based on the internet algorithm, okay. It's going to read every data, every information, and it's going to show you how it works, okay. Moving to the second one, we have an AI appointment setter. So what does an AI appointment setter do? It replies instantly to leads who might have seen your product maybe from the ads you're currently running, and you don't want these leads to actually slip away. You don't want them to slip away based on the ads you have actually run. So what an appointment setter does is going to qualify your leads. Okay, this is the system we are actually installing right now in your real estate agency. Okay, now it's going to qualify the lead and it's now going to book meeting maybe for your team members or you directly or the decision maker to come in and actually hop on the call. Then thirdly, we have an AI sales agent. So what does an AI sales agent do? An AI sales agent does the most important work that makes a human's lack of immediately is it follows up. Okay, an AI appointment setter follows up the leads, handles the objections. So it handles the objections. It's going to personalize your offer based on the product you're actually selling. Now everything has been connected. If you notice, an AI CMO is going to do the brainstorming. It's going to check maybe your ICP in the market and stuff. Then this guy is always there to actually help you make everything coordinating. Okay. Now, fourthly, we have a digital which is an AI digital receptionist. Now, a digital receptionist assistant talks exactly like you. Maybe like, let's say, for example, an AI assistant can talk like me now. It's connected in various channels, maybe like your WhatsApp, your Instagram, maybe your any channel. Now, the most important channel I love these receptionists to actually connect is my phone number. Okay, you can literally connect it to your phone number. Very easy. Most people connect it. Now, a digital receptionist does the assistant talking. It's more like your assistant that's going to stand there, it's only going to talk for you. It's more like a VA for you. Then it's not going to know who are the new buyers or the sellers. It's not going to select the gatekeepers, select the slackers from the actual buyers who are ready. So what it does is that this guy is actually going to send back the unqualified leads to maybe your system that you have automated. Okay, if an unqualified lead come in, we have to nurture it till we get the best out of those leads. Then thirdly, it's going to collect the user budget. Now, all you need to do is just to come in and close the deal. Now, you're currently seeing that you and your team are more elite. You guys need to go far on the greater height. You guys need to go more on greater height of playing the biggest market games. Okay, you need to start playing marketing, because what AI is doing right now, AI is allowing small business owners to play a significant part in the market. Okay, right now, except you're still using the old way of generating leads, I can literally tell you that this would be the best year if you start using AI systems. Now, a lot of people might take it the other way by, okay, they need to fire their team. It's very easy. You don't need to overthink it. This is not actually complex as you're saying it. It's actually very, very easy. You don't need to code. You don't need to hire developers to actually get all the systems done. Okay, you can literally go to Fiverr and get these systems that I'm talking about implemented in your business. Okay, or you could just, contact me. My link is in the description. If I hit me up on my email, and I'm going to, run an audit on your business, and I'm going to tell you the best systems to actually implement, depending on maybe any industry you're serving or any industry you're under. So let's go forward. I'm now going to show you who this AI serve, okay? Because this is the most important thing. No, though AI is just what I've written here, though AI is not limited, it can serve every industry. Like I told you, it's a golden opportunity to every industry out there, okay? So first of all, who we serve, because this is why I picked the choice, because I think why I picked the choice is because we are serving this industry right now. It's the real estate industry, whereby we serve the real estate agents and brokers. Because you see, this guy needs leads. They get overwhelmed. They get maybe thousands of leads, and they want to qualify those leads. So we charge per lead, okay, or we charge based on how much the lead has been working and how AI should come in and straighten the leads. Now, we serve the realtors who want 247 followers without hiring a staff, okay? We serve the property management companies, and we serve the mortgage and loan consultants. So these are who we are actually serving currently in the market, in the industry. Then second, of who this system can actually go for is the B2B agencies and service providers, the high-ticket coaches and course creators, the influencer selling services or digital products, the marketing agency managing multiple clients. So you can literally see that AI has a big role. And what I love about this is AI can literally do this in less than in a minute. Okay, in less than a minute or in a second. Because what I'm talking about is that when it comes to a human is, we can literally argue that human is more, we can say human is good, but you still need a human. But we're talking about time, we're talking about speed, we're talking about visibility. Okay, this is what this system brings out from your business. It makes you visible to the marketers immediately. Okay, it makes you visible, and it makes you set the pace for competition, your competitors to actually, get, unstable. So the third one we're going to actually check in is the local service businesses like the salon, the spas, the gym, the med spas. We also go for fitness trainer or nutrition expert handling their DMs using AI automation. We also go for small business owners who want consistent leads, and we go for coaches and consultants who need constant visibility. What did I mention last? A constant visibility. Okay. So that is all. So I want you to think about it. Every billion-dollar company you've seen out there started with one idea, but now with AI system, one person can run a company like a team of 50. Okay, you could literally see the opportunity, you could literally see the gap that you could use to actually stay ahead of your competitors. So right now, if you want to implement AI systems into your business, or you want to learn how to use AI in your business, I want you to comment the word AI system, and I'm going to reply you with a one-on-one strategy call immediately. And if you don't actually get what I'm talking about, I've left the resources in my email. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit me AI system on my email, and I'm going to send you the exact resources that I'm talking about. If you want it in a PDF or you want it in any format, all I need you to do is you hit the link below and you connect with us on Instagram, and I will send you the exact steps. Okay, I'm available everywhere you need me. Okay, so all I need you to do is to hit the subscription button. I'm going to hit the like button also, and comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you, guys.